All right, guys, Paul here from Ray Chevrolet out in Fox Lake, and I want to let you know about a little bit about the new, brand new Bolt Euv. Fresh out for 2022. This one just landed fresh off the truck. It's a brand new vehicle for us. It's the second vehicle in the EV lineup we have going on. This is built on the same battery and the same powertrain, drivetrain as the Bolt EV. You get about 260 miles of range on a full charge. Really nice. You got the front LED fascia. Really cool there. This one is going to be a little bit bigger than the Bolt EV. The EV is going to get you 6 extra inches of room, which is mostly going to be taken care of by having more passenger room in the back seat. And one of the things that's really cool with the new Bolt EUV is that Chevy's going to include a charger that has both the regular 120 and the 240 watt at home. So you don't have to go get a level 2 charger to get installed in your home. You can basically get this for your 240 volt if you're wired already. And if not, currently Chevy has a great promotion going on. We actually get the electricians out to your house on Chevrolet to get that installed for free. So stop in, ask for more details there. But if you just want to go with the standard outlet, that is also included. So either way, whatever works for you comes with the brand new Bolt EUV. And then hop on in, we'll take a tour of the interior. All right, super easy. You know, it's got the push button start here for you. It's going to start up. You're not going to hear anything because it's electric, but you do have your gigantic touchscreen here. Then all your information will be there on the dash that you need. So you got your scroll wheel here to go through everything you need on the dash. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay are going to come standard. You also have available Bose premium stereo options. And you have a lot of nice configurations on this one. Is equipped with heated seats, heated steering wheels. You're also going to have your wireless charging. Then you have your shifter gears here. Similar to the 22 Bolt EV, reverse, drive, and you can kick it into the one pedal driving. Really easy, lots of room here, a couple cup holders, and all your information is going to be here on the dash. You can adjust it a few different ways for you. You have your regen on demand here, so for maximum regen while you're driving. And a lot of cool text can be included with this when you're talking about the energy efficiency. This will actually show you when you're driving, if you're being efficient, how much energy you're using, and you can see a breakdown of everything. Are you using climate controls, driving? And you can see how your driving is going to impact it, and it just keeps you up to date on what kind of energy you're using and how efficient it is. So you can, you know, whether you want to drive it fun and a little faster and use the energy a little bit quicker, or if you want to be a little more efficient, it'll let you know how to get that taken care of with all the new technology. If you have any questions, come see us here at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake, home of your EV experts.